To adjust the brightness level of a video on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app, tap the album where the video you like to adjust its brightness is in, tap the video. Next, tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit screen. Tap the tone icon at the bottom of the video. While you are in the brightness section, you can slide the brightness adjustment bar to the right or left to adjust the brightness level. As the example, if the video is too bright, you can decrease its brightness level by sliding the brightness adjustment bar to the right like this. So you can get a lower brightness level. You can tap the play button to preview the change. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.